Sunshine's back again tomorrow across the valley to start the weekend, although, like this morning, if you're up early, you'll probably see some low clouds and fog in spots. So don't be surprised if you wake up around 7 or 8 in the morning. It's kind of gray looking out there and some fog that may be a little thick in spots, but it should quickly dissipate. Our next small chance for a shower may be later Saturday evening or night into Sunday as a disturbance kind of passes well north of the valley. It might be close enough to kind of pull in some moisture for a couple sprinkles or a light rain shower, but rain chances are very small and probably confined mostly to Sunday. But if you are headed north of the area, you might run into a sprinkle or shower all the way up through the hill country. And that strong cold front they were doing here again around Wednesday, maybe Wednesday morning or so, and some gusty winds, maybe some rain showers. Much colder temperatures are coming for you next week. Right now, though, it's cooling off a little bit. It's actually dropping back from the highs from an hour or two ago, but we're still at 87 in Rio Grande City, 84 in McAllen, 80 in Brownsville, and down to 77 now in Port Isabel. A warm day out there. The winds are very light. You see the wind speeds only around 10 miles per hour or less, except for a little bit stronger briefly at times near the coast. But with light winds expected tonight and that moisture coming in off the Gulf and mainly clear skies this evening, that could still set the stage for some maybe low clouds and fog again very late tonight, as we showed you after about 3 a.m. towards sunrise. Dew points are kind of hanging in there. They've been kind of on the borderline here between the, we'll call it comfortable range and the somewhat muggy range, but it's not super humid out there, but enough humidity in the air that when you get these longer nights now, as we're toward some of the longest nights of the year, toward the beginning of winter, that there could be some fog forming once again. Lows tonight expected to drop down into the upper 50s and lower 60s over most areas by morning, upper 60s right along the coast, but fog may not be everywhere. But if you're up early this morning, you notice there were some areas that were kind of thick, and that could occur again tonight. Satellite radar shows not much out there this afternoon. A few little puffy clouds, but no rain around the area. And your day planner for tomorrow, we go from low 60s in the morning with some fog possible to mainly low 80s by afternoon, with mostly sunny skies returning quickly later in the morning. So I mean, probably by 9 or 10 in the morning, any fog that's out there will dissipate. And you look farther to the north too. Here's the satellite radar again, but you see there's not a lot going on to our north, even though there is a very weak front moving through the area right now. I guess you could say it's barely registering, but as it kind of just drifts on through, it's falling apart. So it does little to change our weather. It might, shave 1 or 2 degrees off the temperatures tonight, but really no big difference. Fog, again, still possible in the morning hours, and then during the day, mostly sunny skies return, temperatures back in the 80s by afternoon. By the time we get to the weekend, though, notice on Saturday that we should see dry weather around, mostly sunny skies, but the clouds trying to creep on back in, so it's possible by Saturday night and Sunday, maybe a little spotty sprinkle or shower out there, but you see how spotty it is. We'll show you a little more detail on that coming up later on. But the first 1570 forecast, if you like it warm, you got the next 5 days to enjoy. Highs mainly in the low to mid 80s, may even get a little hotter than that by next Monday and Tuesday with mostly sunny skies most days. There could be a little bit of fog in some spots and a very, very slim chance for a shower on Sunday, only about 10%. But notice that big drop in temperatures coming up by Wednesday. A pretty strong cold front comes in here. So, Jennifer, it's going to be a little taste of colder weather coming, but you have to wait 5 days for it.
You just have to wait a little while. It's actually perfect for all the activities we have going on this weekend.
Yeah,
a lot of events.
You won't be cold this weekend, that's for sure.
It's perfect. Thank you, Alan. Thank you so much.